1997 Ford Expedition. It is white with a 3.2 lift. I believe they're 32-inch BF Goodrich all-terrain TA KO tires. Still in pretty good shape overall for its age. All the lights work, everything works. Got a tow hitch, 4x4. All the windows are intact. Let's see. Looks good. This is the headlights. Have been changed. Let's go to the interior. Interior shows regular wear. Again, it's a 1997. For the most part, it's in pretty good shape for the leather. Leather interiors, third row seats. Okay. Lots of room. Lots of compartments, cup holders. Got some AC heat. By the way, the AC blows real cold. Still works. There's your mileage. 215,000 miles. Okay. Got third row AC heat controls. Okay. All the seats will fold down. Okay. Got some kids mess there, but hey, it is what it is. The vehicle runs great, and it still works for families. Better than a new vehicle. Alright, there it is. Thank you. And that's 1997 Ford Expedition XLT.